Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today I have some no-bake cinnamon rolls that I'm going to share with you all. So let's get to it. For the crust, we're going to need some almond flour, oat flour, and some fats. And also for the filling, it's going to be mainly dates. To start the crust, we're going to take 1 cup of oat flour and 1 cup of almond flour, homemade, some coconut oil or manna, cashew butter, and vanilla extract, and combine everything in a bowl. You can alternatively do this process in a food processor. It's much faster. So that everything congeals together, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water and it'll form a ball and get nice and stuck together like a normal crust. Add the crust to some parchment paper or aluminum foil and shape into a rectangle using a rolling pin. Let it refrigerate while you work on the filling. For the filling, we're going to use a food processor or a blender. Add 1 cup of pitted packed dates, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1.5 tablespoons of cinnamon, and some almond butter to your high-speed blender and combine until everything is really nice and silky smooth. Because I don't have the perfect blender, I had to hit this with a hand blender and eventually everything came together. I recommend a food processor for the filling. This works the best. Now roll out your crust using some parchment paper and a rolling pin until it's 1/8 inch thick. Add a layer of your filling, a thin layer preferably, and roll it together using the parchment paper so that it looks like a cinnamon roll. You can then let the no-bake cinnamon roll chill in the refrigerator for 1 hour or overnight. This simply makes everything just stick together much nicer. Using some cooking wire or even dental floss, cut the cinnamon rolls into approximately 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch wide, or 1 inch depending on how you prefer them. This recipe makes approximately 8 individual no-bake cinnamon rolls. They last for a week in the fridge and up to a month frozen. If you guys like this content, be sure to subscribe to the channel and see you next Friday. Take care.